Hello friends, Running Kimono, and I had no idea I would be back at Walgreens. A neighbor friend went and got a vaccine and got that little paper booster of $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. And she came over and she's like, hey, do you want to use this? She's not a big Walgreens shopper. And I'm like, oh my gosh, absolutely. So I just whipped together this little $20 basket, and the Olay basket that I did a couple days ago, a lot of you were saying, you should have picked up this to get it for cheaper. And you guys are right, but I needed a lot more Olay body wash for a Christmas gift that I'm gifting to somebody. So that was the rationale behind that. But this is actually a free basket. So if you have a booster, like a 5-pack when you spend 20, paper Catalina, digital, or if you get a vaccine, flu shot, whatever, you're gonna be awarded one of those. I will show you how I did this deal. And then I'm just gonna jog you guys through the Godiva deal again, because a lot of you have questions, and this is going on right until Christmas Day, so the 25th. And then we're gonna have a little giveaway at the end for some more coupons, because why not? And then we have Rite Aid. Not the best haul, lacking a lot of imagination, but I have quite a bit of bonus cash on my store cards, guys, from Black Friday. And I wanted to just whittle it down. So yes, I did lose a little bit with this transaction, but it's not the worst thing. I mean, I got 8 of these, so it is not the worst thing. And my husband's running low on his Listerine Cool Mint, so I kind of needed that as well. So we'll go through that. Not the worst deal, but you know, not a big money maker. The weather report for you, it's another miserable one out there today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so the first store that we have is Walgreens, and I did this in store. So I just grabbed some sales stuff and got it right to $20 on the nose. So 2 of the Tresemme shampoos, they're 2 for $10. We digitally have a 5 off of 2, and when you buy 3 items that are part of the promotion this week, you get back a $5 store register reward. Mine did not print. When I bought the toothbrush and the 2 Tresemmes, it printed on Sunday, but today it did not print. So the very wonderful manager credited me $5 of Walgreens cash, just to note that. This guy is part of the promotion too. Buy him for $5, buy him for $4. We have a $2 digital. You buy these 3, you're supposed to get back a $5 store register reward. It didn't print for me. So you can either ask the manager really nicely or get in touch with the Catalina company. So anyhow, this is $14 of the basket. And then these 2 are $5.98. Buy 2 of them, get back $3 of Walgreens cash, and we have $1 digital. Now, if you add up the 2 shampoos, the toothpaste, and the 2 Palmolives, I am not at $20 yet. So I grabbed one of these little caramels for 33 cents, found at checkout. Put that together, we now have a basket of $20.31 for all of this merchandise. So I got the cashier to scan the booster, which was $5 back when you spend 20. And then I had 2 $4 register rewards, and attaching to this and attaching to one of these, you know, $8 off right there. And then the digitals that came off were the 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme, the $2 for the Crest, and the $1 for the Palmolive. So I paid $4.31 with my debit card. And then I got back $8 of Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, and 3 for Palmolive. And then that one did not print out, so the manager gave me $5 of Walgreens cash. Just be mindful of that in case something happens. So if you consider that I got $8 of Walgreens cash for the basket, and I also got back that $5, you know, register reward, in theory, it's just a free basket. But using a couple of the $4 register rewards that I had for Godiva, it made it a very little out-of-pocket one, so I was really happy with this little deal. So I'm getting quite a few questions about Godiva, and yes, this is right up until Christmas Day, and it is with either the masterpieces or the domes. And if you do not have manufacturer coupons, if you want to use register rewards, yes, you can do that. As long as it's not the same register rewards or a second one will not print. It's just a hard and fast rule over there at Walgreens. So grabbing 2 of these guys, it was $7 on the nose. There's an IVC coupon, 2 off of 2, $2 comes off. Your new subtotal is $5. Now I used 2 of these from the Smart Source of November the 21st, so 2 of them, both of them scanned beautifully for this. So the new subtotal is $2.50. I used $2 of Walgreens cash, paid that 50 cents out of pocket, and then I got back another $2.50 register reward, essentially making it completely for free. I have been doing a lot of buy 3, get a $4, but if you are limited with your register rewards or whatever, you just don't have it, you can't swing it, even buying them in sets of 2, it's still a really smart little deal. Okay, so time for a quick little giveaway. We're giving away 4 of these. Only 1 winner for this little giveaway. You have to be a subscriber to this channel. And in the comments, please tell me where you're from. So for example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, and I will be picking the winner on Saturday, December the 11th. That's the date. And this one has both the, so you could do this deal theoretically twice. And it has the $1 off coupon that we're talking about. And then for the bars, if you can find them anywhere really cheap. I know Kroger usually has deals on the single bars. So good luck, and the winner will be announced on Saturday. Okay, the last store that we have, guys, is Rite Aid. And as I stated earlier, I had an enormous amount of bonus cash, like a lot. And this week there's a 10 off of 50, so I just threw together a deal of, you know, household items that we actually like, and the Listerine hubby needed, and then just a couple other odds and ends. This isn't the most inspired deal, but it's just a way to roll a lot of bonus cash because I don't want it to expire. Your bonus cash expires 30 days after earning it, and I wanted to use a little bit of it for, you know, the day after Christmas to get stuff really cheap. So that's the rationale behind this today. This is a pretty good deal right here if you just wanted to do this. These are 2 for $1. You pay that $1 out of pocket and then get $1 back of bonus cash, making it free for the Russell Stouffer's Santas, so it makes it free candy. And they've had that deal a couple of times since, I think, November, so nice to see free candy. So that was $1 in my transaction. This was also $6.99. We have a $3 printable found on coupons.com, so it would drop it down to $3.99, and then you get back $3 of bonus cash, so it drops it down to 99 cents. The limit for that is 1, and the limit for the candy is also 1. Now this is kind of a monster. I got 8 of these 9-element products. The dish soaps were $3.99. These sprays were $4.79, so they were a little bit out of pocket. $15.27 for the soaps. For these trigger sprays, it's $19.16. Now we have a BOGO free coupon from the December P&G. At my specific store, they allow up to 4 coupons, and even if it says 2 per household, blah, 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 if you're doing a larger basket and you are buying said products, they allow it. Some stores may not, but at my store, they're pretty cool with that. So if they won't allow it at your store, obviously you'll have to augment this deal, but I was able to make it work for me. I'm just stating that because people get really crazy in the comments about that. But I don't really have a lot of insert coupons, so I'm just trying to do working with what I had. So anyhow, that is a big chunk of this basket. And then for the smaller Listerine, it is $5.51. For the larger one, it's $6.95, and that's also with my gold discount. So for all of this stuff, guys, the 8 9-elements, the 1 toothpaste, the 2 Santas, and the 2 Listerines, that is a total of $54.88. Now, as stated in the front of the flyer, there's a 10 off of 50 that scanned perfectly for me. I presented 4 BOGOs for this. It subtracted $17.56. Now I thought I would just get my dish soaps for free and then have to pay for these room sprays or bathroom cleaners. But what actually happened is I got 2 of the dish soaps for free, and then 2 of these cleaners I also got for free, which was kind of interesting. So extra savings for me. And then I had a $3 from coupons.com for this guy. So after all of those coupons, I had to pay $25 plus tax. And then I got back $13 in bonus cash. Again, it's not the most glamorous of deals, but I'm trying to make something out of nothing just to roll some of that bonus cash. I got $1 back for the 2 Santas, $3 back for this. Now this is what kind of made it weird for me, because I thought I read the sticker of spend 15, get back 3 with a limit of 4. And I spent like at least $30 on the 9 Element, but I only got my $3 back once. So I think that's part of the new changes over at Rite Aid. So whatever, it is what it is. But I got back $3 for buying all this stuff, but I was able to use quite a few coupons. So that's why I did it. And then for Listerine, I didn't have a single coupon for this, but it was to buy 12 and get back 6. So, you know, $13, like not the greatest or the worst. I know with a Listerine pocket, those little things that you put in your mouth, like a little, I don't know, it's like a candy to freshen your breath. There's an IBOTTA rebate, but this specifically is what my husband uses. So this is what I wanted to get, like something we'd actually use in our household. So just a quick way to roll some bonus cash. If you guys were following me on Black Friday, I know, we had a lot of deals with like large amounts of bonus cash, and I just tried to roll it this week into something. You guys one more thing. I did get this back too, so maybe I can use it next week if there's another little deal. $4 off when you spend 20, so that is kind of interesting. Okay guys, I'm taking off. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.